Most consultants are technically excellent and operationally chaotic. They deliver great work. They receive positive feedback. They build genuine expertise over years of practice. And then, between engagements, they scramble. Scramble to find the next client. Scramble to write the next proposal. Scramble to price a project in a way that feels fair without knowing whether it actually reflects the value they are delivering. The business of consulting is completely different from the practice of consulting. And most consultants are trained only in the practice. I spent years being good at consulting and mediocre at running a consulting business. Inconsistent revenue. No system for finding clients before I needed them. Proposals written from scratch for every engagement. Pricing that varied based on what I thought the client would accept rather than what the work was worth. AI did not make me a better consultant. It gave me the operating system that turned the consulting I was already doing into a real business. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. The 4 pillars of a profitable consulting business. Most consulting businesses that struggle are not struggling because the consultant lacks expertise. They are struggling because one or more of 4 operational pillars is missing or broken. A clear and specific positioning. The clients who find you, consider you, and ultimately hire you are heavily influenced by how specifically you have described who you help and what you deliver. A consultant described as helping businesses with strategy is competing with every other strategist. A consultant described as helping professional services firms reduce client acquisition time by systematizing their referral process is competing with almost nobody. Specificity creates differentiation. Differentiation creates demand. A proactive pipeline. Most consultants find their next client reactively, when the current engagement ends and the urgency is highest. Reactive pipeline building produces feast and famine. Proactive pipeline building, consistent outreach and content that generates interest before you need it, produces predictable revenue. A proposal system. Most consultants write every proposal from scratch. This wastes time, produces inconsistent quality, and treats each proposal as a creative exercise rather than a conversion tool. A proposal system, templates, frameworks, and a clear structure produces better proposals faster and converts at a higher rate. And pricing discipline. Most consultants price based on what they are comfortable asking for rather than what the outcome they deliver is worth. Comfort-based pricing almost always leaves significant income on the table. AI builds all 4 pillars, faster than any manual process could. Building the positioning statement. The positioning statement is the foundation of everything that follows. It determines who hires you, how much they pay, and how easily they find you. Give Claude your professional background, your deepest areas of expertise, and the specific outcomes you have produced for previous clients. Ask Claude to draft 10 positioning statements, each one more specific than the last, each one identifying a different target client and a different specific outcome. Review all 10. The positioning statement that feels slightly uncomfortable because of how specific it is, that is almost always the right one. Specificity feels like exclusion because it narrows the apparent market. In practice, it expands the market that self-qualifies as a fit, because the right clients recognize themselves immediately rather than wondering whether you understand their situation. Ask Claude to refine the strongest positioning statement into a 1-sentence version and a short paragraph version. Both become the foundation of your website, your outreach, and your content. Building the pipeline system. With positioning established, Claude helps you build the proactive pipeline system. Ask Claude to design a lightweight weekly pipeline routine. 3 activities. 1 piece of thought leadership content published per week, demonstrating expertise on the specific problems your target clients face. 5 personal outreach messages sent per week. to people in your target client profile who have not yet heard of you. And 1 referral request per week, sent to a previous client or professional contact who might know someone who fits your positioning. 3 activities, none requiring more than 45 minutes, all running consistently regardless of how busy current engagements become. Ask Claude to write the first 4 weeks of thought leadership content, a library of 10 outreach message templates, and 3 referral request templates. Every recurring pipeline activity gets pre-written before it needs to run, so the system operates on templates rather than on fresh creativity every week. Building the proposal system. The proposal converts interested prospects into paying clients. Most consultants treat it as a formality. The consultants who close at the highest rates treat it as the most important document in their client acquisition process. Ask Claude to help you build a proposal template with 5 sections. The situation summary, a paragraph reflecting the client's challenge back to them in their own words. This demonstrates you understood the real problem, not just the stated one. The proposed approach, what you will do and how. Specific enough to feel credible, concise enough to feel manageable. The outcomes, what the client will have or be able to do as a result. Framed in business impact rather than your deliverables. The investment, the price framed as an investment in the outcome rather than a cost of the service. A proposal that presents price as the cost of your time produces pushback. One that presents it as the investment to achieve the stated outcome produces decisions. And the next step, 1 clear action that begins the engagement. Not call me to discuss. Sign here to begin. 1 template. Built once. Customized situation summary for each client. Pricing with discipline. The final element is the hardest for most consultants. Ask Claude to help you calculate the value your typical engagement delivers, in revenue generated, cost saved, or risk avoided for the client. Then price your service at a meaningful fraction of that value rather than a multiple of your time. A consulting engagement that produces $50,000 of value for a client is worth significantly more than $3,000 regardless of how many hours it took. Pricing based on value rather than time is the single biggest financial lever available to any consultant. What is the most broken part of your consulting business right now? Finding clients, pricing, or proposals? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a complete operating system for making your consulting genuinely profitable, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.